Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Market World. Today I am going to discuss about Nifty analysis. Actually, if anybody watching newly means please watch my Ichimoku trading strategy video in my YouTube channel. That is very helpful for you for analyzing the trades or tracking about trades, and for it's all learning purposes. Okay, and today, see guys, actually I'm in 5 minutes chart. See, I just removed all drawings except this drawing. Previously I just marked so many levels at Nifty going with the all-time high, so that's the reason I just removed all the drawings except this one. See, these line I just marked 2 days before. If you have any doubt, watch Monday or Friday analysis video. In that I just marked this level. Exactly, market comes up to here, and after that it comes with a correction. See, what means, if I market that level means suddenly maybe if tomorrow it will not reach that level, a day after tomorrow also it will not reach, means one day definitely it will reach. Why? Because see, if the market is in corrective mood means it will take some more time to reach that level, as per my analysis, and that is the big advantage for me for taking myself for short term positions. Okay, so that's the reason. See, in this channel I am just telling you only about analysis. I am not recommending you to take calls or anything. If you need that type of things means, please contact a financial advisor. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so that's the reason. And please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share my videos to your friends also. It will be more helpful for them to learn this type of analysis. Okay, and now see, coming to the analysis. See, today 5 minutes charts with Nifty 50, and also I created one Telegram channel. Please join in that. If I free means in live trading session, I'm definitely I will show some learning learning contents and some live trading support and resistance levels. These thing all I will post in that case. Okay, only when I am in free, it will be more helpful for you guys. Okay, today Nifty market opens with a gap up, and after that makes price action. See, it doesn't sustain that level. See, this is the pivot almost high, and a wig only comes up, reaches that level, and after that this wig also reaches that level. See, and after that force will be reduced, so that's the reason market comes downside. See, if TS breakout means we have to wait for KS level also, as per my strategy. If KS level breaks means only I can take the trade. See, if I take a trade from, if breaks means, if I take a trade means it's not an easy thing. Why? Because see, see, market comes up to that level, so that's the reason. See, I will tell you how to take trades. See, how I taken trade. Okay, I will tell you what means. See, the market comes there and again it goes. See, this is the testing purposes, again it goes. See, this is the thing, again it made one momentum candle with a breakout. So that's the reason I just taken the trade from here. Why? Because it goes there and again it goes, again it goes, again it comes. So that's the reason I just taken the trade. 19,000 21,000 exactly I just taken that strike price on that time. 21,000 CE sell position I taken, and market comes up to downside. Okay, and again see, again makes one correction, and after that makes momentum candle. Why it happens here means, see, this is the line, this is the line, market exactly goes there, comes there, and again it goes. So that's the reason market doesn't sustain for downside, and exactly the support level will be there, looks like support level. So that's the reason market react this point only, exactly this point market reacts. So I just exited my trade from here. I just exited my trade, and after that, see, market goes again up to there and again comes down. See, this is the one time, this is the two time, and this is the three time. See, sometimes we can count it as a one time, this is two time. Why? Because see, again it comes, again it goes. Yeah, we can take two times or one time. Again, this is the second time or third time. See, it will be easy, guys, but we have to analyze these things. See, again it goes, again it comes, means if again breaks, means here I have to exit these positions. So that's the reason why this is the big momentum candle, and it looks like little breaks, or sometimes we can't tell it's break also, but this is the momentum candle, and exactly this I just marked this level, so that's the reason I just exited trade on here only, and after that market goes. I didn't take any reverse trade from here. Why? Because already 130, so that's the reason I just avoid the trade on that time. So market gives a small profit today from here to here, so that's the reason. Okay, if tomorrow, what means, see, if tomorrow market makes, again market opens here, again it doesn't sustain, again it comes down, means I can take 21,000 again CE sell position if breaks TSKS level, but I have to watch this level. This is the flat SSB, and this is the pivot low, so that's the reason I will watch this level. If it again goes like this type, means it doesn't sustain for downside, again it goes upside, means I will exit that type position. Okay, otherwise market comes downside. See, if market breaks here from here to here, means see, it's all about thinking, guys. What means, see, I can take a 21,000 CE sell position from if breaks here. Otherwise, if it breaks from here, means I have to wait for this breakout also. If it breaks from here, I have to watch this level. It's a typical thing, I know it's a typical thing, but almost 70% of the time market moves like this type only, guys. If market goes with a trending movement, we am not having that much of fear. Why? Because we can't predict support and resistance levels easily. If market comes with a corrective mood, again if it makes up to here all time high, we can predict support level from here. If it again makes upside, means we can predict resistance level from here. Okay, this is the thing, guys. So if it comes, means it's not an easy trade for downside. Why? Because there is the typical resistance level will be there, so we have to take that type of chances, but we have to manage small stop losses. If small stop losses if we manage, means we can survive in this market. See, if market breaks from here, means I can take definitely I can take if I take 10 lots from here, means if it comes up to here, means I can exit 7 lots. Definitely I will exit 7 lots. Oh, this is the typical thing, so that's the reason I am not ready to take that type of risk. So that's the reason. If again if it comes breaks, again if it comes down, means I will watch this level. Okay, these are the things for downside. Otherwise market comes up to here, doesn't sustain, again if again goes, means we can predict 20,000 850 900 PE sell position also for this. It looks like a support level, so I can take that type of trade also. See, this is all maturity, guys. If if TSKS breaks here, see, I can take trade from here. Why? Because there is a flat SSB looks like, so I can't take easily that type of trades. We have to avoid the trade from here. If it breaks this level, means I have to watch this level. Why? Because there is support level will be there. So this is all maturity. If it comes downside, it will be little bit typical, guys. Otherwise, if market goes upside, see, if market for corrective mood and downside, already told, guys. If you have any doubt, please rewind back and watch it. And if it market goes for upside, if it makes retracement and goes again with a momentum candle, means I can predict 21,011 also. If it 21,011 means almost here, if it market goes up to there, after that 21,196 will be the level for next move, guys, for this type of sustainable point. Okay, these are the things. 96 we can predict, 96, 21,196. Okay, and 21,011. Okay, these are the points actually. Otherwise maybe market, maybe it will form support resistance level maybe here also. I'm ready to take, I can predict that type of level if in live market makes lot of price action. Again it comes with the TSK means, and I can predict a small resistance level will be there. So that's the reason it will come for tomorrow. If market crosses this level easily, it's a small resistance level. Okay, this type I can predict, guys. And coming to the next point, see today TCS, I can tell you TCS, see this is the breakout candle, so that's the reason I just taken and after that big momentum candle again makes correction. See it looks like only 3 candle, this looks like 8 to 10 candle, so that's the reason it's a correction. See this doesn't sustain this level, the only weak is comes again it goes. See this is almost a momentum candle comes, but I just waited this weak level. If it breaks this level, definitely I will exit. So that's the reason. This is the maturity, guys. If stop loss is here, you are in profit, means I can wait this type of what breakouts, guys. Okay, so that's the reason market goes up to there, and I made profit, guys. These are the things today I taken in TCS, and after that Nifty, both are in green. Okay, and this video is more helpful for you guys. Please rewind back and watch it again and again. Okay, please share and subscribe my videos to your friends also. And thank you so much for watching video. Thank you, guys.